Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a catapult two-handed comb. Knowing how to do a catapult already would be really helpful, and knowing your basic combs would be really helpful. So I'll put links to videos for those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so let's break it down. It starts off like a standard catapult. We go back, we sweep through, and we get into our catapult lean. The difference is we're going to take both of the lady's hands and place them into the guy's left, so the right becomes free. We're going to unsweep down the left-hand side, so we're going to bring the lady forwards. We're going to take the hand up, we're going to take it over to the left, so the lady's going in a return direction as she comes through. Instead of letting her extend and go out, we're going to stay close. We're going to take both the lady's hands over the top of the guy's head. We're going to pass the hand from our left to our right. And then as we step away and push with the right hand, lady's hand slides across the shoulders and down. So we end up in a two-handed grip. And that's it. So let's do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, transfer the hands 3, unsweep 4, combing 5, and away 6. And that's it. Time to do it. Right to right and 5, 6, catapult two-handed comb. We go a back, sweep, transfer, unsweep, comb, and away. And that is the whole shebang. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hopefully that'll serve you well out on the dance floor. It's quite a good way to get to two hands, that one. And music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.